All right, on to video number 3. I chose Prodigy. This is one that I've never used. I've heard a lot about it. I know it's a math app, and kind of been digging into it a bit as we get into it. I know I've talked to coworkers at the school I'm working with. I know the fifth grade teacher uses it. Um, so it's good to teach math skills and make it at their level. Um, the teacher has a lot of say in what skills those are. So that's good. They're not just learning random skills or skills that are too hard for them. So as we get into it, hopefully my internet will cooperate. Um, it's kind of been an interesting project. So I had to create my own classroom. I created one student and I gave him the name Brian. So it gives you a list of everything that you have to do in order to set up your classroom. And so as I go to the dashboard, all right, maybe I'm in the dashboard. So I have my create my plans, I've got my students. It's telling you that no parents are connected. So it really wants parents involved. Now, this runs off of assessments. So it will have the kids create an assessment, or not create, they will take an assessment, and then it will create a report, and then it will tell where the kids need to be. So it will put them, so it's going to put them um, one grade below so that they can work their way up to the grade that they're in. So, and then you get all kinds of data you're going to be able to use. It will give a specific code so that just anybody can't get in. It'll just be your class. And it's really, really neat. It's multiple devices, so it's really friendly with internet technology. Um, yeah, and I like it that it's going to be at the kids' skill. So they will be able to not feel overstressed with using it. Um, and it goes on to my next one. My objectives and my goals is just to build skills. You know, you ask me if I like math, my answer would be no, I don't. But that's because I didn't have a strong foundation for math. Um, I really don't have a good knowledge of math, but if I did, then it would have helped me understand it better. It's designed for elementary kids, middle school kids. I guess high school kids could use it. I don't see why they couldn't if they'd wanted to sit down and do it. Um, so my two standards that are covered is being able to collaborate with other teachers. It's very important for a first year teacher to see what's been done in the past, what didn't work, and what is working, and so that I can figure out what I want to use. Now, I probably will not use this because it's going to be probably a little bit too advanced for my kids since I'll be teaching first grade. But for my second standard, it does go along with it because I do want to enhance technology into the classroom. I do want to give them the chance to learn new programs, and I'm going to be jumping in and learning more about these programs as well so that I can teach them how to use these programs safely.